In this video, we're going to be looking at a simple teleportation system in Unreal Engine 5. So let's go ahead and create a new blueprint actor. I'm going to call this BP_tele_enter. We'll go ahead and open this up. And then we're going to add a static mesh. And this is just so we can see where it is in the level. I'll just compile that. And then we will copy and paste it. We're going to rename this one to exit. Now, if we go back to our enter pad here, let's go to add. And we'll add a sphere collision. We'll go ahead and make that a bit bigger, like so. And we will create a onBegin overlap. Now what we'll do here is we'll cast to our first person character. And then we'll call an event later on. So now let's go back to our exit pad. And in the viewport, I'm just going to change the color so we can see this a bit easier in the level. And I'm going to add a capsule collision. Now this is going to represent where our player is going to spawn. We'll also use the location of this as well. We'll hit compile, then we'll go over to our first person character, open this up, and we'll create a custom event for this teleport. So firstly, let's go back to enter. Let's call this function. And we'll compile that. Then what we're going to want to do is want to get actor of class. And we'll get our tele exit. Like so. Then we're going to get location, world location of our capsule, and we're going to set actor location and this is going to be self, and we're going to set it to the capsule location. So we'll hit compile, we'll go back over to our level. And we will go ahead and drag in our enter pad. We'll put our exit pad up here. And if we hit play and go to our enter pad, you can see spawns us out at our exit. If we go again, you can see that we've teleported our location. And that is how you set up a really simple teleportation system in Unreal Engine 5. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.